You might have been scrolling around on the internet or maybe even talked to a couple of contractors, and now you might be feeling a little confused about all the different types of foundation repair methods that are out there. The biggest question you're probably asking yourself right now is, what is the purpose of the bell-bottom pier that we install here at Anchor Foundation Repair? What does it do? I'm Austin with Anchor Foundation Repair, and I've gotten this question a couple of times over the last couple of years, and understand the confusion that can come of looking up all these different repair methods and seeing that, yeah, there's a lot of different methods out there to repair foundations. So to answer your question, the purpose of the bell bottom at the bottom of our piers is to maximize the footprint of the pier and minimize the potential for settlement, as well as also preventing any uplift. And there's a good example to just kind of illustrate this for you. If you're standing straight up and down with your feet together, you are very easy to just push over and just go right to the side, kind of like the Leaning Tower of Pisa. Other example, if you spread out your feet and stand there, then you're much harder to push over. You don't lean from side to side. You're more stable and locked into where you're standing. What should you do from here? In order to help you out, we're going to put a link down below in the description that'll take you to an article that does a deep dive on describing what a drilled bell bottom pier is and what that bell bottom does for our piers. It's time to decide whether or not you want a drilled bell bottom pier. What's the best option for you and your home as far as foundation repair methods go?